Good morning, everyone. This is Steve Ray from the Welcome Trader, and I'm your host today. And today is August 15, and it is more than 9 o'clock. Anyhow, I will explain you all the indicators and will we go the trade today, whatever they happen. And basically, I'm only using the WTL forecast U, and the other indicator I use, my personal experience, I only need a one indicator. I don't need any other indicator, but we have other people's, every person they have expertise level is a different. So we do have the WTL forecast U2, WTZ direction, WT open high low, WTL line. Okay, basically right now we have a WTL line is already plotted, and WTZ direction is it is a down, all the way down, which is a down zone is a -4. And let me bring the other indicator, and it is a night session, and also they have a thick line, and the thick line is very important for our trade. And the short trade last night automatically calculated, which is a 1680.75, and the trade still not a close yet, because once the trade close yet, it will making the new lines, and it did not close, the vertical line did not close yet, and also the horizontal lines. So let me plot the other indicator. What the meaning is, the basically you see the like a D2. D2 means this is a distance between the price and the line, and it is automatically calculated. And basically, if you guys need you can make a sample. And if you guys want it like a WTL forecast U2, which is they give you the idea where is a reversal. Okay, so what the meaning is a reversal? Reversal meaning is if line is a red and the small box say performing is a blue, that's the reversal. When we want to take a short trade, we don't take a reversal blue one. We always take the, if our vertical line is a red, we always follow the red box. It meaning we continuously go to the trade on the downside as a short. Okay, let me plot the other indicators. So then we start our business today. So we want to plot the other indicator WU2. Okay, this is a U2. So we plot new, and then we want to plot the like our indicator is WT open high low. We want to plot that one, and so far is enough. Okay. The second indicator, which is also say short, but the meaning is when we have the blue between, if they have a performing the blue, the small boxes, we don't want to take the small jump in right the way to the upside. No, we only want to consider if it is a short trade is coming, we only want to take a trade with the red box and the red lines. And also we want to careful our this WTL line. It is not any moving average. It is a very real time value, and it is a precise calculations. They help you a lot, which is all the way. And they say D2 right now where is the closing price, and it shows the from the closing price to the two take is a down. And a high low indicator, they tell you the last night when they open, and it is a 1681 is the high, and the down is the 1666 1666.25 is the down. And you see that there is a red something, the scare one near the price. The meaning is but there is a magenta line is around about 1681 over here. If the price is below the box is going with the line, that will be red. If it is higher the going on the topward, so that will be the green automatically. anyhow today is a market is going down, so that's why the shows red, so that does not meaning okay, if it is a red we want to go short, if it is up above the magenta lines or crayon lines, and if it is a green we want to go buy. No, that's only give you the indication which side market is going from the opening point, which is opening point is the 1680.75, which is over here, and it shows opening point the going market, it is already down market is at 12.5, and they have a 2 point reversal. The R2 is a mean 2 point reversal, and this is the second value is a WTL forecast U2. They give you the second opinion, which is the boxes performing the red or green, blue and the red. So only one we only considering the red boxes because the market is going down. So that's the very explanation. And normally I only and all the way side down zone once is a blue line, the red line is like that horizontal red line, so it does not matter what condition is, but normally when we take a trade in the that time is a considers what happening, but right now is a very clear indications, and we want to go short at the when they have an opening market, but the other thing is we also want to calculate the distance from the which is a 1680.75, and right now is around about 1668.25, and if it is a cross around about the middle 1675, we thinking maybe we want to go to the the like we want to go to maybe we change our opinion, but so far we don't want to change our opinion. We thinking we go on short, but we don't know what happens when the market open, and we don't know, but we are expecting this market will go down. So hopefully let we see. We are thinking we should go to uh, trade. Let me see what happened. Uh, so it's not yet. So we are thinking it is a 911. So wait. So if the market go in the middle of the box is a higher or some indication, we may be thinking long, but I don't think so long. So this is maybe the little bit, the candle. I'm not worried about the candle. So approximately if they come back again around about 1667.75, so we will execute the trade. Let we see what happen, and hopefully 1667.75. That's our short entry today, and let we see if they come down, and we will do the two trades, and is coming. Let's go down, go down. So we don't know what happened, but normal, my opinion, this is a continuous trade, and the thick line is not closed yet, and we're looking the opportunity on the downside, and hopefully our if they come near the 1667.75, and still is a 922, and going to be, let's go to, okay, so we still have a couple minutes more. Okay, definite is a downside is a momentum, and we want to see what happens. Is sometime when they open the market, it jump little bit, 2 3 point is up, but we not worry about it will go down, and we know our line is telling the D is a 0, okay, it's not going higher, it's not going higher, and we are in the trade, and it is a 9:30. Let me see what happen. If we don't know if it is in our go like a couple point against, so then we think we stay in the trade. This is our the entry point, and we will exit 1680.75. That's according to our rules, and we want to go short. We don't know what happened today, and we stay in our trade. And let me see. Okay, we don't know what happens. We want to see if it is a go down, because our thick line is a calculating is a 3 tick is a from the price is a down from the thick line, and it's go to the 6 tick, so that's good. So we want to stay in the trade. If the couple tick go against you, do not panic, because we still have a lot of buffer. Our indicator shows which is a 1680.75, only the top one. We only calculating top one. We not calculating the second one 1669 long, and the downside is the choppy zone. Sometimes the people say what we do. Okay, stay in the trade, because our vertical line they tell you that a continuous trade. It's not a close yet. If they still, because that one is up and down the zone, don't worry about, don't panic, because our vertical line is telling us it's in our favor. It's in our favor. We have to stay in our trade. Do not panic. uh, let me see what happen. And our vertical line is a working just like as a real time, and it's not like you guys thinking this is a something okay, but do not panic. So we like to see if our uh, we only using the like normally I don't use the high and low, but uh, this is a package, universal package I give to the people. They have it. I just explained you high low what the meaning is, and I also explained you what the meaning is. It's automatically calculated, the high low open, and it is also the which is the like if they performing the blue box, the meaning is a reversal against you. That could be a small reversal, but we don't take a reversal if they have a blue box. We only go vertical line is a red and the red box. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, so we like to have if our at least the more like a uh, at least 4 5 point we normally go to the morning trade. And we just pay attention. If it is against go us, we will go exit, and it is a continuous trade, and we want to follow the continuous trade. And if it is a like a green candle, don't panic. That's the market always do that. So we just want to follow our the pattern and our indicator. Our indicator not telling us to exit. Once they say exit, we will exit. And we don't know what happens, so let me see what happens. So, and we stay in our trade. We no need to exit. So our line, WTL lines, they only want to stay, always stay in the WTL line direction. This is a real-time calculated trade, real times. It's not like a moving average, something like that. I don't like any kind of the people using the moving average. Then this indicator always need a real time value and the real time calculations. That's the more important in the trading life. Okay, so it's coming near the, and the calculation is a D7, D6. Don't panic, if even though D0, even though go to the upside is changing to the color, if they change to upside, it change to the U and it is a blue color. So we stay in the trade because this is a continuous trade. It's not a close yet. If it is a close, thick line will not move. So let we see what happens. It's going in our favor. That's good. So we may thinking that this is the like we want to go 5 point, and we don't want to greedy too much. So if some people want to take a trade close, that's enough. They like still have a 4.5. So uh, okay, I'm going to the close the trade, and that's it. Basically, is the telling me the up is a long zone is coming, and something only want to pay the uppers. Something is going to be changed. We don't know which direction market go, couple point or not couple point. And so far today is end, my friend. And keep always watch the WTL line, which is a calculator real times, and the vertical lines. And I use only one indicator, but basically this is add-on indicator. I'm using the U2 and like a high and low. If you guys want to use our WTL lines and the zone, this is all helping indicator. And have a nice day. See you tomorrow.